A Rappler investigation based on SEC documents and data from government websites found that Justice Undersecretary Jojo Cadiz has ties to a major construction company that was only incorporated po in 2023 through Yusek Cadiz's son, who was 19 at the time, 21 na siya ngayon, I believe. JSJ Builders Incorporation, the investigation found won more than 200 million in projects in Ilocos Norte since its incorporation 2 years ago. Yusek Cadiz has also been accused by former legislator Zaldico of supposedly acting as a bagman for the president. First question, ma'am, is the president aware of his former aide's ties to this contractor, or has he since been made aware, given po the prohibitions under the Constitution?
As of the moment, we have not talked about that. But if there's a need for investigation on that issue, so let the investigation be done.
And on that note, ma'am, does he still enjoy the president's trust, and will he remain in the DOJ despite, again, these links and the claims that have been made against him?
Sa ating pagkakaalam, siya po ay nag-submit na ng kanyang resignation. Sa ating pagkakaalam, bibigyan ko lang po ng update.
Has it been accepted? No.
Bibigyan ko po kayo ng update.
Can the palace confirm na si Yusek Cadiz po ay associate ng Pangulo or aide niya at some point?
Wala po ako mako-confirm sa ngayon.
When did he exactly resign?
Hindi ko, ngayon, natanong ko lang po yan sa DOJ, hindi ko po natanong kung ano yung exact date.
Okay.
So, bibigyan ko po kayo ng pinaka-update.
Okay. Ma'am, how does the palace respond to observations na yung mga officials close to the president, or at least in the executive branch, nagre-resign lang po sila kapag naibabalita na or naisisiwalat na yung alleged involvement nila dito sa mga anomalies in government? Take for example, Jojo Cadiz, na yung 19-year-old son apparently is the head of a construction firm na nanalo ng millions of pesos in government projects.
Hindi ba dapat ikatuwa ng taong bayan? Kung meron mang mga tao na kaalyado ng Pangulo at kapag ka na-involved, kahit wala pang desisyon o wala pa man judgment, ay umaalis, hindi po ba mas magandang tignan yon? Mas maganda po yon dahil ibig sabihin, hindi nagtotolerate ang Pangulo kung meron mang mga taong maaaring nasasangkot, although wala pang judgment. Hindi tulad ng mga nakaraan, kahit nandiyan na yung mga pangalan, nag-i-stay pa rin. Kahit malaki na ang issue about sa corruption.
Ma'am, but does the palace see a need to sift through its officials once more, considering that Jojo Cadiz has been there, the corporation of Jojo Cadiz's 19-year-old son has been there since 2023? Is there a need to, sift through, review again yung mga dealings and other ties of officials sitting in high-ranking positions in government?
Katulad po niyan, kung sila ay nai-involve at alam nila na maaari sila masangkot kahit wala silang kasalanan. Paggalang ito sa Pangulo mismo nila, para sila muna ay umalis. Sila ay mag-resign. Paggalang ito sa taong bayan, paggalang ito sa Pangulo. So, alam nila ang gusto ng Pangulo. Dapat masawata ang korupsyon.